know, cowboys and Indians.
How about utilitarian and undesirable degenerate ultraventions?
Is this guy for real? Here, TV. Here's some more Oolong.
Is he here this afternoon, innit? You visiting then? I am. My car's got a bit of a real trouble back. What are you in for?
Oh, I'm just here to pick up this here prescription.
Here's your prescription, Jack. I'm going to see your car now.
Right, that's me. Good to see you again, Jack. Better. Right, lover. How you feeling? Any better?
Lovely, Chris. And would you mind telling us just how it came to end up in your family?
Oh, well, my grandfather was stationed abroad during the war. He was given it by a villager who he liberated.
Have you any idea how much it's worth?
I don't know. £100?
It's worth a lot more than that. I saw one of these guys walk from Mississippi.